Hi everyone, I'm Jerry, and I just got the Tineco Floor One S9 Artist Pro series. That is a super long name, but we've had the Tineco S5 Pro for several years, absolutely love it, and I just was waiting for a nice new jump up in iteration to be able to test out a more advanced model, and this one is more advanced in pretty much every single way. I'm going to go ahead and unbox this here and kind of show you what is actually in the box. Everything comes packaged extremely well. You do get a filter. These use HEPA filters in this, which is really nice for the water supply. You've got your nice cloth mop head here that's going to go on as well, which feels very nice as well. Now this will go on a little different than the other one. You've got your instruction guide, and then in here you've got your base that comes with a nice long cord. Now this plugs into a standard 110 outlet in your wall, so very similar to the other one here in the United States. It does not have a grounded plug. It is simply just going to be the two-prong that's going to plug into there on that. And then you have your base. This base is different than the other base. I like a lot about this base. It is still one you have to pick up and set on there, but very sturdy, very durable, and this one does have the flash dry feature, so that's actually going to flash dry everything extremely hot to help make sure everything stays nice and dry. I'm going to go ahead and set that over here. Again, it feels very nice, does have some nice pads on the bottom of this here, some rubberized feet. So if you've got this sitting, it does keep it up off the ground, and the rubberized feet, I mean, that is not going to slide anywhere, which is really nice. Digging a little further into the box, you've got a nice long cleaning brush that you can use to clean out the dirty water tank. You've got the handle here, which is, again, it's an upgraded, more ergonomic handle. And then you've got your main unit, and they even start you off with a little bit of solution, which I'm going to show you down here in a second. Now that we've got the main unit out of the box, we'll get rid of that. You've got your solution that they provide you with, which is nice that they do that. You have your actual unit here. Everything, again, packaged extremely nice. Got this wonderful display, which they've got all protected here in the box, which this looks really nice here, and we'll test that out here in a second. You've got your bottom part here. It says take off before use. Now to assemble this thing, look at that. We've got an extra mop head already installed, which is fantastic. So you've got two mop heads, which is great. This piece here actually just snaps in. You're going to snap it in, only snaps in the one way. So you're going to put it like that, push it down, lock it into place. If you ever do have to remove that, there is a little button here that you can push something in to remove it, but it's metal, which is nice. So it's going to have nice longevity to it. Looks like they've spent some time, put some money where it mattered as far as the longevity of it. Appears to be built really nice. It lays down 180 degrees, so that's definitely an advantage there. I'm going to go ahead and set this on here and let this go ahead and charge up.
Charging.
I'm going to go ahead and get it connected, and then I'm going to go ahead and have a separate video. We're going to go ahead and compare this one to the S5, and then we'll maybe put them to the test and let you guys kind of make your own decision. But so far out of the box, super simple assembly. Everything went together real well. Down here you've got your fresh water tank on this one, which just simply pops off and can be filled up in your sink right there. So you can even do it while that is currently seated, which is nice. So looks nice. Build quality is definitely on point.